Evening, everyone. It's Friday night, the 30th of November. Glad the month is over, although we did have a great week this week in the options account. What you have here is the gold, and this is 10-year monthly. And as you can see, we've gone over it a bunch of times. The lines all remain the same from this double top around 1920 back in September of 2011 through the high October of 12 through these highs in and around the end of the summer and August and September of 2016 until we ultimately broke out above that line in August of last year. What we've done is we've taken a line that previously was resistance and we've come back down to it, which is usually a sign that it becomes support. Okay, next I'm going to scope out. I'm going to the weekly so that you can see what's been going on in the more mid to current term. As soon as this will come up, this is the 1 year weekly nearby, and this is the same area that I showed you before where we've come above the line and we have this downtrend line from the contract lows back in August of this year through these three lows, which were September and October, and then again this low just 2.5 weeks ago on November the 12th. And what we've done is it looks like we have put in somewhat of a bottom. Now I want to go to the daily so that you can get a little bit better idea of what we look like for the last couple of weeks, because I had told you I didn't like a close under 12.18 and a half last week. And unfortunately, we did get that on Tuesday. News being what it was, and the fact that we came right back into this area of support, I said I would give it one more day. And the next day, we were rewarded with an up $16.50 move. What we've done in the last couple of days is rally, hold here, and sell off a little here today. Both the oil and the gold sold off today based on the strength in the US dollar, which had been weakening but has turned up. So, just going back to the weekly for a moment, I just want to explain what this could be. My feeling is that we're going higher in the gold, but there is the possibility, having come out of this channel on the weekly, that this is a bear flag, meaning that if it can't break out above this area on top, then it may very possibly come out of the bottom. I would not want to see that. And clearly, I'm not really interested in sitting down to 1183.80 in order to find some support. So we're going to keep a close eye on this. But as of right now, I still like it on the long side. Hope everyone has a good weekend.